guys, my name is Brooklyn Romero and I am currently in the teacher education program at Colorado State University, Pueblo. And because of COVID-19, us teacher education students are providing other teachers, other students, some activities that we will be posting on our YouTube channel. Every week, once a week, all of us will be posting to it. And today I will be doing my co-op lesson plan, and I'm doing what makes 10. And I did have these little flowers from previous lessons that I've done, so I just wanted to take advantage of that since I had it laying around already, and I did have this poster board from way back that I finally get to use. I do realize that these colors and these shapes could be overwhelming to some students, so an easy way to change that would be use a different poster board or use paper. You can use paper if you have it, large slice of paper, and you can use sticky notes instead of using these flowers. And you can do a bunch of different colors sticky notes, or you can just use one color depending on if your students have a hard time seeing them or just have a difficult time with all this shapes going on around here. So today I will be doing what makes 10. And before I start, I would ask the students to give me the definition of what a sum is. And once they figure that sum is the answer to an addition problem, I have them get started. So if I had a class of my own right now, I would have their names on popsicle sticks in a cup, and I'd draw their names just so it's equally as fair for them. And if they're in groups, and if they're doing stations, and I would just have them go in order that they're sitting in, just so it's fair. I don't like to play favorites or anything like that, so I would just have them go in order that they're in right now. And so what we will be doing is I'd have the students just choose a number that they want and place it in a larger flower. 8. I'd ask the students 8 plus what equals 10. Once they figure out it's 2, I'd have them grab the 2 and place it in the flower as well. So for those students who are having a difficult time adding, they're not grasping what's going on here, I do have manipulatives for them. So I do have cubic units that we can use, and I'm going to put that in this video as well, how I would go about that. And for the students who are advanced, I'd have them maybe subtract it. I've had them maybe multiply it if they're able to. And just to keep their minds moving, I think at this age, it's very important to keep their cognitive learning high, their levels high. I think it's important to use manipulatives as well, because it's easier for the students to grasp what they're learning when the activity's hands-on. So that's why I think it's important if they use the units, just in case, just so they understand fully. Alright, so really quick, I am going to use manipulatives in order to add up to 10. And I have 10 cubic units already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're just going to use that problem that I just previously put on the board. So it was 8 and 2. So let's say we had 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we don't have these. It is up to the students to find out how many more cubes or units it takes to add up to 10. So that's 8, and then I'd had them add 9, 10. See, using manipulatives is a good way to have them see for themselves what addition problems look like. And for the students who are advanced, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would have them maybe subtract first. So they have 8, take away 2, that leaves them with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if they wanted to multiply 8, and they double it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'd have them maybe just count them all for starters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's also a good way to do multiplication problems as well. So 3, I'd ask them 3 plus what equals 10. Once they figure out it's 7, put that there. 6, 6 plus what equals 10? 4. 1, 1 plus what equals 10? 9. 3 plus what equals 10? 7. 9 plus what equals 10? We did it right here. 1. 5 plus what equals 10? 5. 6 plus what equals 10? We did it already right here. 4. 2 plus what equals 10? 8. And last but not least, 10 plus 0 equals 10. And I just think it comes out super cute once it's all finished. I like how this looks. It's very eye-appealing to me. It's just a cute way to do addition problems. And in order to assess the students, what I would personally do is have them write in their portfolios or in their math journals all these equations, just so that they have it for storage for future reference, and just so that I know that they understand what these problems mean. So yeah, this is my first activity for the students to do while they're at home and with just things I had lying around. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.